On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union first launched the first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 into space. That is the first step of our space journey. Now we have seen the sunset on another planet, photographed the largest black hole in our galaxy. Through physics, we have come to know our universe. But even something raises question in our minds and says, how? Our curiosity about space dates back a long time, for which we have come so far today. Today I will tell you about some of the mysteries of space that make astronomers wonder. A mystery is something we cannot explain with our intellect. One such mystery is, where are the aliens? The answer to this question can be many, but no one could say right. An article came out in 2015. It says, if life is so easy, someone from somewhere must have come calling by now. But it didn't happen. We still have no direct evidence for extraterrestrial life. And then comes the paradox. You may have heard of someone's name with this paradox. Enrico Fermi, an Italian-American physicist, asked this question in 1950 in a casual conversation. But everyone, including other three physicists, was silent. Because no one had this answer. Many factors are responsible for this Fermi paradox. The first reason to solve this paradox is that extraterrestrial life is very rare. According to this statement, our solar system is very unique. Maybe there is no life in this vast space because we live in a violent universe where we are very lucky that anything wrong happened to our solar system or Earth so far. The fact that space is violent is evidenced by the extinction of the dinosaurs. So maybe there is no place in space where life could have originated. Or maybe it happened somewhere but extinct before it developed. Maybe life extinct when it was unicellular, which shows the second reason to solve the Fermi paradox. Or maybe there are aliens but we can find it for some unknown reason. For some unknown reason, we are getting no sign of them. As of June 2021, a total of 59 habitable exoplanets we have found so far. But according to astronomers, there is billions of habitable worlds in our Milky Way, and our Milky Way is about 1 quadrillion kilometers. So maybe there is life somewhere in between, or in another galaxy or somewhere else in the universe. Space is so big that it is very difficult to find. Compared to the entire universe, our world is smaller than a grain of sand. But we didn't give up. We have been searching since the 1960s. Maybe the aliens know about us, and knowingly they are ignoring us, because we are not as advanced as them. As we left our closest relative, the chimpanzees, into the wild and do not give them such importance. Or maybe life started at one end of the universe, from where it would take billions of years to reach Earth at the speed of light. So maybe they don't know that there is a planet called Earth. Any reason you think we can find aliens? Let me know in the comments. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. The last planet is called Neptune. At first, the last planet meant Pluto. Later, when Pluto was called a dwarf planet. Now the last planet is Neptune. But is it really so? According to astronomers, there is an object after Neptune whose gravitational force is so strong, like a big planet. After seeing it in the math, astronomers got to work searching for any undiscovered objects before or after the Kuiper belt. There are millions of icy objects in the Kuiper belt. Far out, a planetoid object, the farthest object from the Sun that orbits the Sun. It was discovered on 15 January 2018. Astronomers estimated its size is about 400 km across. Far out is about 132 astronomical units from the Sun. In simple words, far out is the 4 times the distance from the Sun and the Pluto, and it takes 1000 years to fully orbit the Sun. So the last time far out was here, people first learned to farm. But then is there another planet which is even far away, which we may not have seen yet? The Wide Infrared Survey Explorer has not yet found Planet 9, but they don't believe that Neptune is the last of our solar system. It may be so far away from Pluto that it will appear 600 times smaller than Pluto in the telescope. According to University of Michigan professor Fred Adams, by 2035, the planet may be visible, or we will have a lot of information about it. But according to some scientists, maybe not a planet, but a small black hole. Black hole or planet, what is there is not known. Maybe we will solve this in the future. Our universe contains 4 types of matter. The normal matter we see is only 4%. Then neutrinos is about 1%. And the dark matter, what is invisible to us, is 26%. And the rest of the universe contains 69% dark energy. But what is dark energy? Dark energy is a type of energy that makes up 69%. And you all know our universe is expanding. but the dark energy is increasing the speed of expansion. But why? Evidence for the existence of dark energy was first found in supernova. Exactly what dark energy is still a mystery. Dark energy is so mysterious because we don't even know what it is made of and we can measure it directly. Now let's talk about dark matter. According to NASA, dark matter is the matter that has gravity and is so strong, but we don't see it. We don't know anything about dark matter. So about 95% universe we simply don't know, because about 95% universe made up with dark matter and dark energy. And since dark matter doesn't interact with electromagnetically, so you cannot touch it. Let me know what you think about dark matter in the comment. I have never made a video on this before, but maybe I made some shorts about the Great Attractor. Our universe has been expanding ever since the Big Bang, so our galaxy also moving with it. It's normal, but our galaxy going another direction. There is something about 220 million light years away that pulling our galaxy towards it. Some people think nothing pulling us, it's just dark energy that increasing the expansion of our universe. But some people think our own galaxy blocking our own view of whatever pulling us from that distance. But in real, it's not only pulling our galaxy, rather it also pulling 10,000 other galaxies. But the Great Attractor also moving itself to the Shapley supercluster. A Shapley supercluster is the largest concentration of galaxies in our nearby universe. It is currently 650 million light years away from us. Some people have compared it to a black hole, but it is not a black hole. It is one of the most massive objects, which is causing gravitational anomaly.